Good morning, children. Welcome to my class. So today in class 4 English language we are going to do lesson 10, the present tense. Alright. Today we are going to do exercise E. Okay. Now you see here it is given that complete this paragraph using the simple present or present continuous forms of the verbs as needed. Now you already know that we use simple present tense to talk about our daily routine. Then it expresses things that are always true. That is universal truth. Okay, expresses actions that are done as a habit. We usually do every day as a habit. We use simple present tense in those kind of situations. Alright, and present continuous tense, which is happening right now and which is going on for some time. Alright, we use present continuous tense to talk about actions that is happening at the time of speaking. When I am speaking, now I am speaking, I am teaching you, which will go on for some time. So we use present continuous tense in this kind of situations. Alright. Okay. Now you see here, I am going to fill up this passage. You please follow how I am filling it up. We study in class 4. I have not written the verbs which are given in the brackets. You please write down, but you please follow here. So we study in class 4. Alright. Because whole year you are going to study in class 4. Okay, so I am using here simple present. We study in class 4. These days we are learning about leaves and flowers. You see, learn is given here. So these days we are learning. These days we are learning about leaves and flowers. Today we are in a garden. Now this is the be verb is given in the bracket. Please follow. Be verb is given. Be is written in the bracket. That means, and here we are using simple present or present continuous tense. So we are going to use are. Okay. Today we are in a garden and we are observing. Observe is given. We are observing different types of leaves. Okay. We are observing. Different types of leaves. Alright. We are collecting leaves and twigs to make a herbarium file. We are collecting. Collect is given in the bracket. Collect is the verb. We are collecting leaves and twigs to make a herbarium file. Along with this, our teacher tell is given in the bracket. Our teacher tells us interesting facts about different plants. Alright, our teacher tells us interesting facts about different plants. So please follow the passage once again. We study in class 4. Okay, we study in class 4. These days we are learning about leaves and flowers. Today we are in a garden and we are observing different types of leaves. We are collecting leaves and twigs to make a herbarium file. Along with this, our teacher tells us interesting facts about different plants. Okay, children. So we have done this exercise Z. We have completed this lesson. Only learning with ladybird is left. We are going to do that also today. Alright, now you see here we use the present continuous tense to talk about something we are doing in the future. Now you see, in the future also I have taught you how we are going to use it in the future. Present continuous tense we use to talk about the things which is going to happen in the future also. Okay, I am going to catch a flight. I am going to catch a flight. That means you will do that work but in the future. I am going to catch a flight tomorrow. Alright? Okay. Now you see here I am playing basketball tomorrow afternoon. Okay. Now you see the structure, you know, present continuous tense, that is am plus word plus ing plus rest of the sentence. You know that. Now I am playing basketball tomorrow afternoon. You see the structure we are following here. I am playing basketball tomorrow afternoon. Here they have added tomorrow afternoon. That means I am going to play sure but tomorrow afternoon. Okay, she is not having a piano lesson next week. She is not having. Now you see here in the negative sense, she is not having a piano lesson next week. Alright, they are going to a restaurant tomorrow evening. Again the same structure, they are going to the restaurant tomorrow evening. Okay, here you see here tomorrow afternoon, next Monday, tomorrow evening. All these words tell us about the future. Okay, Now we ask questions about the future using the present continuous like this. Are you doing your homework tonight? Are you doing your homework tonight? Means not now, but tonight. Are you doing your homework tonight? Alright. So the future is the time that comes after now. Not now. Now is present. But after some time it is going to come. That is in the future. So the future is the time that comes after now. After now it is going to come. That is future. Alright. Now you see we are going to do this today. Exercise A and B also will do today. Tanuja visited Darjeeling recently. Help her pen down her feelings by completing the sentences in the simple. Oh, not this one. This is page 75. Page 75 we are doing. Complete the conversation in the present continuous tense. Alright. In the present continuous, use the verbs in the brackets. Alright. Okay, now you see here. Mario, Dan, do you want to go to the cinema with me tomorrow? You see, tomorrow is used here. Okay, do you want to go to the cinema with me tomorrow? Sorry, I can't. Dan is replying, sorry, I can't. Dan, oh, are you having a guitar lesson tomorrow? Dan is asking, are you having a guitar lesson tomorrow? Okay. Mario, no, I am not. I am not having a guitar lesson. I am not having a guitar lesson. We are following the same structure. I'm not plus, have plus ing. You please see here. I'm not having a guitar lesson tomorrow. No, I'm not having a guitar lesson. I am visiting my grandmother tomorrow. She is having a birthday party. Are you busy on Tuesday evening? Okay. Mario, yes, my brother and I are playing tennis on Tuesday evening. Are you doing anything on Wednesday evening? No, I am not busy. I am not busy. Let's go on Wednesday. So you see this paragraph I am saying again. Mario, do you want to go to the cinema with me tomorrow? Sorry, I can't. Oh, are you having a guitar lesson tomorrow? He is asking, Dan is asking, oh, are you having a guitar lesson tomorrow? Mario, no, I am not. I am not having a guitar lesson. I am visiting my grandmother tomorrow. She is having a birthday party. Are you busy on Tuesday evening? Yes, my brother. Mario is saying, yes, my brother. Yes, my brother and I are playing tennis on Tuesday evening. Are you doing anything on Wednesday evening? Asking a question. Are you doing anything on Wednesday evening? No, I am not. I am not busy. Let's go on Wednesday. So you please do this in the book itself. This is page 75. Please do it. Okay, now look and write. Use the present continuous. Also here also we are going to use the present continuous. Alright. See in this paragraph exercise 1 this is. We used present continuous, that is in the future tense we used. You see. Okay. Now you see here look and write. Use the present continuous. What are these people doing next Saturday? Asha. See it is all jumbled up. We have to form sentences, proper sentences. Asha not have a music lesson. She have a dance lesson. So we are going to frame proper sentences. Asha isn't having a music lesson next Saturday. Asha isn't having or is not having a music lesson next Saturday. She is having a dance lesson. Okay. Number 2 you see Diego and Matteo not swim, they play football. So you write down Diego and Matteo are not swimming. Diego and Matteo are not swimming, they are playing football. Alright. Number 3 you see Lisa not play badminton, she go to the beach. So you write down Lisa isn't playing badminton or Lisa is not playing badminton. She is going to the beach. She is going to the beach. Alright, once again I am telling you. Number 2 and number 3. Diego and Matteo are not swimming or aren't swimming. Diego and Matteo are not swimming. They are playing football. Number 3. Lisa isn't playing badminton or Lisa is not playing badminton. She is going to the beach. So children, please complete page 75. Alright, we have completed this lesson, lesson 10, the present tense. along with ladybird. Alright, learning with ladybird we have also completed. Alright, this is page 74 and 75. Thank you.